welcome back to our channel.
And if you're new, welcome to our channel. I'm Mike.
I'm Nina. This is Itzel. Itzel! Hi! This is Itzel. We haven't done her hair. I have her headband right here on my index finger so we can do her hair. And this is our beautiful family. In today's video, guys, we decided that we would take you guys along a hike. It is a little bit late. Oh wow, it's a lot late. It's 1 and we decided to go for a hike and take you guys along to see how hiking is with the 1-year-old. What are your thoughts, my love?
I think we're gonna have fun.
Think it's gonna be fun?
Yep.
Little challenge?
Challenge.
So, detour. We forgot our what is it called? I don't know what it's called. But we're going back to get it because Itzel is heavy. So, alright guys, so we are on our way to Coyote Hills for our hike. As I mentioned, it's a lot late. It's a lot later than we thought it was because we did wake up late today. As we're on our way to Coyote Hills, Bebe fell asleep because her nap time, it's around 12 to 1 and it's currently 1:06, so my baby fell asleep. So that's how we start our hike, guys. So we're gonna let her sleep until she wakes up on her own. So yeah, we're gonna let her sleep until she wakes up on her own. We brought, I don't know, I call it a kangaroo because it goes like in the front of your body and it just kind of hangs like a kangaroo would. So we brought it and we're just gonna carry her and let her sleep because when she doesn't get her sleep and we wake her up or she gets woken up, she gets a little mad. So alright guys, so we just made it to Coyote Hills. Itzel is still sleeping. You can see she's very much asleep. I didn't even get to do her hair yet. Head tie still in my finger.
She's ready to go to the Coyote Hills. You ready?
Yeah, how's Jose feeling right now?
Jose feeling tired.
What's tired, Jose? We didn't show him that.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get done and get everything on us and get ready. Once we're out there and we're ready for a snack time, we'll show you guys what I've packed. And yeah, we'll see you guys in a few seconds.
Alrighty guys, so we're here. Baby Itzel is still asleep.
She's still sleeping.
We're out here in the hikings.
Hikings?
In the hikings.
So yeah, we're gonna carry her up until she wakes up because she does get grumpy if you wake her up. So she's missing a shoe, but Mike has it in his hand. And yeah, I'm excited because we have not gone like a good hike in a while. What was the last time? Like Little Yosemite?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm really excited. Mike has the snacks in the back. So there's a car coming. But yeah. So this is Itzel. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna take you guys. Well, there's 2 trails. There's that trail. We can start over here. So yeah. She's waking up, guys. It's just been like 3 minutes since we got out of the car. And she's waking up. So here we are. Oh yeah, so we were gonna put Itzel's head tie, but it got windy, or the windy, so I put her hat on. Whoa, showing them my pimples and everything.
Hi, baby. Oh.
Oh. So, what are you doing? Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Take her binky out so she can drink some water. out here is that I have a phobia of snakes. And last time we went to Little Yosemite, we saw a snake nearly crap my pants, I'm not gonna lie. And Mike tried to go get it. So that's the only thing I hate. Other than that, I love it all. I love the green trees. Baby is so funny.
That's big.
You're the meh?
So you're walking like this in the middle of the night and you find someone doing this shit.
Suck 'em, run face. We apologize that the video is a bit shaky. You know, it's bumpy, so sorry. Hi, baby. So it's a picnic shelter, guys. So probably we'll see how it is inside. And then we'll come and eat our snacks here, huh, baby?
Yes, sir.
Let's go read the story. Hunting past present. Let's see, guys. Hunting cabin was the site of thousands of exciting hunting experiences. Oh yeah. So inside that house that we just showed you guys, we went into like a little step to see a little bit beyond inside, and there's a picture, like a picture frame, a chair, and other things in there. It makes me wonder if like, yeah, I tried to like show them inside the window, but it wouldn't focus. It just focused on the fence. But I wonder if people go in there. Jose, how you feeling now, Jose?
Better.
Yeah, you're not as tired anymore? Okay. He got his energy, guys. Jose got his energy. What is that? It's a Pringle thing. Let's see, can you guys see?
I love you more. What is that over there on the ground? Hi, babies.
Alright guys, so we switched because it's a little heavy, so she's with daddy now. She's playing with your hair. Let's go. So she's still missing a shoe, but we have its shoe in the backpack. She kept on dropping it. So where is it? Oh, I see it. Right there. and it jumps at you. Oh, hell no. Alright guys, so I know we've said that we would have our picnic at the picnic shelter down there, but it still got tired, so we're just gonna have our picnic in this bench right here. We're gonna have our snacks. We'll show you guys what we've got. So Itzel already knows which ones are her snacks. She also has the vegan veggie straws. She's already eating them. She got her snacks. There you go. Yummy. Yeah. You liking it, Mama? So alright guys, so we finished our picnic. We were right there. Now we're leaving, going downhill to get to our car because it's getting a lot cold now. So Itzel keeps taking off her hat, but I'm gonna put it on again right now because it is super cold. So yeah, we've got our Skittles. Itzel took off her hat again. And we've got our Skittles. Huh? She's beating Daddy up with her hat. Bebe, póntela. That's like the 4th time that we put the hat on her and she doesn't keep it on. So, our car is down there. It's this one right here. With our hair all pretty messed up. We've made it down from the hill. We were up there somewhere. So we are pretty much gonna close the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching our video, and like always, tell them what to do, honey. Tell them what to do.
Alright guys, so if you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, like, share it, subscribe,
And we'll see you guys on our next video.